How to check a string for specific characters. How can I check if a string has several specific characters in it using Python 2? For example, given the following string. The criminals stole $1 million in jewels. How do I detect if it has dollar signs, dollar, commas, and numbers?
Assuming your string is S. And so on for other characters. Or edit, added the dollar in S answers.
User Jochen Ritzel said this in a comment to an answer to this question from user Dapperwit. It should work. 1, 2, etc. should be replaced with the characters you are looking for. See this page in the Python 2.7 documentation for some information on strings, including about using the in operator for substring tests. Update: this does the same job as my above suggestion with less repetition.
Quick comparison of timings in response to the post by Abafe. Output. So the code is more compact with any, but faster with a conditional. Edit, TL, doctor, for long strings, if then is still much faster than any. I decided to compare the timing for a long random string based on some of the valid points raised in the comments. Output. If then is almost an order of magnitude faster than any.
This will test if strings are made up of some combinational digits, the dollar sign, and a commas. Is that what you're looking for?
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.